Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset app preferences in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. First you need to open the setting on your phone, then go to the down and find the apps. Select it, then select the manage apps. Here we can find the three dots on the top right corner, and here we can reset app preferences in our phone. Click on it. Here we have message. This will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, and default apps. Background data for apps. You will not lose any app data on your phone. Click on the reset apps button and that's all. Goodbye.